Tokyo, that is Japan's capital, 2020. Competition, quiz competition. Olympics quiz, the 32nd edition of Tokyo Olympics 2020 is scheduled to start from 23rd July to 5th September. And in this edition, Indian contingent will consist of around 130 athletes. On successful completion of this quiz, each participant will be awarded with e-certificate. The winners will get an opportunity to win Indian team fan jersey, and some lucky winners will get a chance to meet their favorite Olympian. Quiz is being organized by Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Entry to quiz will be open from 17th June till 22nd July. Participants will be required to answer 10 questions within a span of 120 seconds. Entries once submitted cannot be withdrawn. Participants should provide the following details, which may include confirmation of participants' details, announcement of winners, and disbursement of awards. In event of unforeseen circumstances, the organizers receive right to cancel the competition as considered at any time. Organizers will not receive any responsibility for entries that are lost, late, or disqualified, or transmitted due to computer error or any other error beyond the organizer's reasonable. Please note, proof of submission of entry is not proof of receipt of the same. Organizer's decision will be final and binding. No correspondence will be taken. Following terms and conditions henceforth shall be governed by Indian laws and judgments of Indian judicial system. Quiz will start soon as the participant clicks on Start Quiz button. Questions contained within quiz will be based on publicly available information on past and current Olympics and athletes. Participants can only enter the quiz competition once. Multiple entries of the participant will not be accepted and considered. If organizers reserve the right to disqualify participants, refuse entry, or discard entries if such instances or participation is considered to be detrimental to competition, or additionally any entry will be considered void if the information submitted is eligible, incomplete, false, or erroneous. The participants shall abide by all terms and conditions of quiz competition, including amendments or further updates. Now let us move on to the second competition. One more detail, the prizes are: winners will get opportunity to win Indian team fan jersey, and some lucky winners will get a chance to meet their favorite Olympian. Now let us move on to the second and final competition in this video. Cutest baby photo competition. Time left is now 17 days, 8 hours, 16 minutes and 40 seconds. It will change from now and then. So now let us see the rules. Starting date is June 21st, 2021, which was 2 days ago. Ending, that is last date, is July 10th. Voting start date Monday, June 21st. Voting end date Saturday, July 10th, 2021. Free registration, absolutely no registration fee. You may participate in as many contests as you wish. Users must log into the website either by Facebook or Google, or log in form and follow the steps to participate in competition. Entry is open from all kids from week old, day old, month old till 10 years of age. Multiple entries are not allowed. User can register, participate for only one baby in active contest. Registered entries are available on profile screen. Any site visitor can vote for baby every 15 minutes at www.mcontest.in. Voting system is secure and easy. Contest results will be available to all site visitors. There is no limit to vote for a baby. The final votes are calculated on basis of contest votes and reward votes. Final votes equal contest votes plus reward votes. Contest votes equal earned by using vote button, and reward votes are earned by playing games. Here are the rest of the rules and terms and conditions. Remember, the daily Reward vote limit maximum overall 10,000 votes. Reward votes can be added to an entry in past 24 hours. As per contest terms, one person can purchase one vote every 1 hour. Participants can check their profile, current rank or position, the current nearby competitors on the view rank page, or in any time, anywhere. In event of any disputes, organizers reserve the right to disqualify any entry or retract any award. All decisions made by the organizers are final and binding. No correspondence will be taken. Decision of the organizers and mcontest.in will be final and binding. mcontest and organizers reserves to change, amend, delete or add rules without prior notice. It will be duty of participants to check campaign site from time to time for updates, amendments, modifications, etc. Participant in competition is available only for Indian users. You can only upload one photo for participant. Once a photo is uploaded, you cannot change, edit, modify the image. So choose the best cute photo of your kid. User can earn the reward votes by playing spin wheel game and can assign these votes to their participants of ongoing competitions. We can ask for the baby age proof from winning entries. If there is a difference in the age provided of the winner, then we can cancel your winning prize and your entry will be marked as disqualified. Currently, prize distribution is available only for Indian users. Contest votes and participation dates will be decided for the participants. Participants with higher contest votes will get higher priority in rank. When contest votes are also same, participants that joined the contest earlier will get higher priority. Please follow general rules to respect, remain polite, upload contents that you have created, moderate your contents. Whatever is not permissible, if you break a rule, members will give a second chance. If you break one of our rules again, you will be disqualified and the account will be deleted. Do not upload content which is not belong to you, and don't forget your children. Profile should not contain any photo of inappropriate content such as nudity, suggestive poses and excessive makeup. Avoid all illegal or forbidden content. You may not use this site to release your frustrations against the world or buying votes. One may buy votes for a participant via Paytm or Razorpay or PayPal. Problems will not be responsible by the organizer. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita here, all collaborators and social media partners. See you in the next video. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell.